Hello, my name is Sabine Berghaus. I'm a principal key expert for digital user experience at Siemens. I work at Siemens Technology, which is the research and development organization at Siemens. I consult our business units, I identify relevant topics in the field of UX and basically act as a key expert for the topic of user experience at Siemens. I think the UX Design Awards for me is a good opportunity to see what are cutting edge projects out there. So kind of to keep my finger on the pulse of the UX world. I think particularly interesting is for me the global scope of the awards. So to see projects from all over the world. And another thing that I'm really interested in is the new talents category. So the category for master thesis projects and student projects. So I think that is something that I'm really looking forward to see. I think good experience design makes difficult things simple. It makes complex things understandable. I think good experience design is meaningful. I think it addresses a relevant problem and it provides value to the user. So it makes things better for the users. Well, I think beyond the criteria mentioned, I think for me, what I would be looking for is projects that pay really good attention to detail, that I think you notice when a project is done with a lot of care and love, and it's really carefully crafted, and it goes the extra mile. I also like to see projects that where you can see that they have, beyond a good experience, that they have a good business case also. So that means that it's not only successful for the users, but it can be successful in the market. It doesn't mean that it necessarily have to be already a successful project, but that you can see that there is potential for it to be sustainably successful in the future. For me personally, I think art is inspiring, and by art I mean anything that is done without like a business case or a use case in mind. I think it's inspiring to see when something makes me think beyond the obvious, and when something is just done out of creativity, imagination, curiosity, so anything that makes me think differently about the world. Funnily, I don't like go out and try a lot of apps anymore. I used to do that in the past, but I don't do that anymore. When I look at myself and the products that I use on a daily basis and that I think provide a good experience for me, something that I could name, for example, is my smartwatch, because not necessarily because of the design of the watch itself and of the interface, but more of what it makes me do. So since I have it, I go out more, I move more, I experience more, and I think that is what makes it a good experience design.